Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's a bag for music people or music stuff, but let's give this thing a try. I'll show you guys what it looks like here, and let's try it out. So this is it here. It's kind of a canvasy kind of bag, so it's thick, but it seems like it'd be pretty waterproof too. And oops, what fell out? Fragrance sachet. That's kind of funny. I don't know if it really smells like anything. Okay, so this is it here. So this is the bag, and you see it kind of folds out like that so you can have some space. And then on the top, you have a zipper, so you can kind of close it up. So let's see how it fits. And oh, on the side here, it's got a little Velcro pouch with some area on that side. And on the inside, you can see right here, it has a little zipper section here. I just closed it, but there you can put a little bit of stuff in there. So like I have here, I have my music notebook. Fits in there perfect. So that's 8.5 by 11. You could probably fit the larger size stuff too, probably like legal size paper or music or something like that in there too. But how cute is this? So it's a nice little bag here and fits all the stuff just good. It'd be a nice place to store stuff if somebody who likes music, or keep your music stuff back and forth between your music classes or whatever. So I'm gonna say this is a really nice bag, and this is what it looks like here. Super durable. It's like made out of like PVC or something, nice and strong. So it's gonna last. Probably won't tear very easy. Reinforced for sure. Really nice. So thumbs up from me. Definitely like this one.